were looking at our feet. We were trying to create a little bit of a crossover, so we're walking on a tightrope or a beam. I'm keeping nice and tall, tummy's in, and I was rolling the shoulders just a little bit. So I had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 was my first move. I then took my side step. Basic option was just a side step with a little bit of a hip. The second option was the booty. So I sat down, I twisted on the diagonal, pushed the left arch forwards, and created a little bit more roll and collect. I then came out for another side basic. So those two things together, I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, and then I added in the arms, 5, 6, 7. I came down, 1, 2, 3, right turn. So I was pushing my arms out on the turn, 5, bringing them in 6, 7, and then I pushed them back out again when I did the sweep. Remember, the arms were optional. And then I sat down, left leg in front, and then we had some kind of a motion for up, or here, something just to bring the arms up, and we had a bit of body movement. I'm going to do that with the music, so it would make more sense with the music. Sorry.